This is our restaurant dashboard. Let me give you a quick overview. At the top, you'll see the restaurant's logo online. Then, you'll find today's pending orders, pending reservations, and pending waiter requests. These waiter requests come directly from the customer side whenever someone taps the Call Waiter button. Next, the dashboard can be switched to full screen mode, and it supports both light and dark themes. The user can choose whichever they prefer. Basic settings and the restaurant profile are here, and from this section you can also open the customer-facing website. Now, this is the main restaurant admin panel that belongs to the restaurant owner. From here, the owner can add as many branches as allowed in their package plan. Right now, this branch is selected, and all its data is displayed here. If you switch to another branch, everything updates automatically. Back on the main dashboard, here you can see today's orders, today's total earnings, number of customers, and today's average earnings. You can also see which dish sold the most and which table had the most orders today. Below that, all today's orders are listed in detail. Then we have the menu section. You can create multiple types of menus, for example, main menu, deals, breakfast, dinner, and so on. Each menu contains menu items, which can be added by clicking Add Menu Item. You simply fill in the details, upload images, and assign the item to a category, such as pizza, burger, wrap, roll, drinks, or coffee. Next, we have modifier groups. This is where you can add extras for orders. For example, extra cheese, extra chicken, or additional toppings. You can also use modifiers for combo or deal selections. Say, if your deal includes a pizza and a drink, you can let the customer choose which drink and which pizza flavor they want. Then comes the table and area section. You can create different restaurant areas, for example, indoor, rooftop, basement, or outdoor. Each area can have multiple tables, and every table has a unique number across the restaurant. You can also set the seating capacity for each table. Once tables are added, the system automatically generates QR codes for them. One for each table, table 1, table 2, etc. You just download and place the QR code on the actual table. Next is the waiter request section. This is where all customer-side waiter calls appear. Then we have reservations. Whenever a customer books a table through the restaurant's public site, those reservations appear here. The customer site is designed to look professional with the restaurant's logo, branch selector, menus, and all categories displayed clearly. It also includes a search bar to find any dish and a book a table section for reservations. Next is the point of sale system. Here you can select menu items, adjust quantity, add extra toppings if needed, and confirm the order. Once confirmed, the kitchen order ticket KOT is automatically generated, so the kitchen gets notified right away. You can also manually add new customers and process dine-in, delivery, or pickup orders directly from the POS. In the Orders section, you'll see all kitchen orders currently in progress, and in the All Orders section, you'll find every order, with filters for today, current week, and more. The Customers section lists all your customers, both manually added and those who've placed delivery or pickup orders. You can export their data anytime for marketing, like sending emails or WhatsApp messages for promotions. Next is the Staff Members section. The restaurant owner can add staff here, entering their name, email, phone, and assigning a role such as branch head, waiter, chef, or admin. Access permissions can also be customized per user. You can also add delivery executives, for example, riders or delivery boys. When a delivery order comes in, you can assign it to any active delivery person. Then comes the Expenses section, where the restaurant can record all types of daily expenses and view them later in the ledger. In the Payments section, you can view all payments received and any due payments pending from customers. For example, if someone has credit with the restaurant. The Reports section provides detailed analytics and performance reports for everything: orders, earnings, customers, and inventory usage. Next, we have the AI Credits section. This is linked with the restaurant's AI chat system. Each restaurant gets AI chat credits, and this section shows how many have been used and how many remain. Then we move to the inventory module, one of the most powerful parts of the system. Here you can see all your inventory items, what's in stock, what's low, and what's out of stock. If you've added supplier emails in the system, it can automatically send them email alerts when any item's quantity drops below your defined threshold. You can also manage measurement units, like kilograms, grams, milligrams, or pieces, and add new ones if needed. When adding new inventory items, you can link them with a specific supplier. That way, purchase orders and restock alerts go directly to the right supplier automatically. The recipes section is extremely useful. When you create a recipe for a menu item, it connects directly with your inventory. For example, let's say you have a supreme pizza. You can define which ingredients it uses, like chicken, mayo, cheese, and how much of each is used in small, medium, or large sizes. Once you set that up, the system automatically deducts the correct quantity from your inventory every time a pizza is sold. That keeps your stock updated in real time and even sends notifications to you and your suppliers when something is running low. You can also generate purchase orders directly from here and send them to suppliers. Then we have basic restaurant info and app settings, where you can configure details like your preferred currency, add multiple branches, and even define custom currencies if needed. In email settings, you can choose which types of emails you want to receive, like new order alerts or low stock notifications. Taxation settings allow you to define your tax structure. Payment gateway settings include options for enabling online payments, QR-based payments, and other payment integrations. Finally, in appearance settings, you can upload your restaurant's logo, choose the color theme, and manage staff access, deciding who can access which modules. That's the complete walkthrough of the restaurant management dashboard. Everything from orders, reservations, staff, and payments to AI chat, inventory, and supplier automation.